So Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company reported an impressive fourth quarter last week, and as you can see on the news, the stock gapped higher. However, price is now testing all-time highs near that $220 level. So rightfully so, you have some profit taking, at least from this move higher. But if you pull back to the weekly chart, you can see how price has continued to move higher, and so why not? If you got in at this resistance support band at $140 and now you are trading at all-time highs on earnings, why not take some off the table? So their profits rose 57% year over year, in large part to soaring AI processing technologies, of course. Their net revenue for the third quarter exceeded expectations, climbing 39%, reinforcing market confidence in the company's growth trajectory and ongoing investments in AI investments and infrastructure by major tech companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, and others. All right, so if prices are now trading at all-time highs, what you really need to see is, to close the month, you want to see a candle close above these rejection wicks. That will signal to buyers in the market that price can head higher, but keep in mind this is the 13 simple monthly moving average. It is overextended. Price is at roughly 212. We're at roughly $164. So that's a huge gap. And as you can see, as price turned around, you did have retest of this moving average, but we haven't gotten one since August of last year, so we're due for one. And as you can see on the monthly chart, your RSI is approaching the all-time highs at 88, telling you that things are in overbought territory. All right. So again, price broke out, pulled back, retested some levels of interest, and we'll look at that. However, just go with your moving averages, right? They're pointing up from the lower left to the upper right. You have to continue to go with the trend, but how do you get in? Well, you have to be a sniper for your entries. Here's that level that I was showing you. This is a rally, this is a base and candle, and then the rally out. Price gaps all the way back down, forms a hammer candle, and then price is off to races. This level here is a 4-hour zone. So one could have put their entry at about 182. Put their stop below 170, and you would be up roughly 2 to 1. Let's go down to that 4-hour chart. Just want to show you that level. It's very small. Rally, base and candle, rally out. Base and candles, rally out. So I'm looking for price to fill this gap, actually. So the setup would be the following. Break all-time highs, pull back, and then resume the impulse move higher. Can we get to 250 this year? Yes, more than certainly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.